In this demonstration, I'm going to show how Cloud Extend can be used to set up a new case in Salesforce. I'm on an account that is just called in to open a new case, so I'm going to expose my account wizards here. I'm going to run the wizard called New Case Setup. So the wizard says, okay, let's first figure out what this person's calling about. Are you calling about a paid advertising listing, a free listing, or something else? In this case, the caller is calling about a paid advertisement, so I'm going to click paid. And then it says, okay, for Acme Dynamite, is the person calling in a customer or a sales rep? It turns out a lot of times it might be the sales rep calling on behalf of a customer. If that's the case, we want to pick sales rep. And we should verify that the current account owner is the person calling. It turns out the account owner here is not Eric Egerton, it's Carolyn Volan, so we'll make that change. Now when we continue on, we're given a screen that says, okay, we're going to set up a new case to create a new paid listing. So the first thing we do is select the contact who's calling. It turns out it's Beth Jones calling, and the description is, this is great. Beth wants a nationwide web listing with enhanced search. And when I continue on, it says, great, we've set up a case now for a paid listing. And it actually gives me not only the case number, but it gives me a hot link to the case. And I can click on the case and I get into the case. So it's a case for Beth Jones at Acme Dynamite. This is great. Beth wants a nationwide web listing with enhanced search. I can even have a Cloud Extend wizard run on the case. So if I open this up, I have a guide for an agent to process a new case. It says, okay, this is going to walk you through the steps to resolve the case. Let's start with what region they're calling from. Turns out they're calling from the East region. Here are the notes. The case started from the phone. And then select the case type. In this case, Beth's selecting a new feature request, so we're okay on that. We don't need to change that, but we could if it were some other nature. Then I could click continue and continue processing this case, being guided all the way by a Cloud Extend wizard.